Nothing, bruh. Humans said, work and you can get food. So just working for my food. Busy day, huh?
You gave him a whack fuck here. Whack.
Oh, man, I got that on.你别笑，做一个专业的演员吗？
I just love this food. I don't know what is this, but this one, yes, this red one.
There's something off about that horse.
You have an eye for animals, Lois. This horse is brain damaged. That's why I got it so cheap.
I might look like I am a bad boy, but I am the baddest. Baddest.
Am I looking beautiful or not? I'm looking hot. I'm just here to meet my boyfriend.
C'est moi, Marco, c'est moi.
Is my smile human? Do you like my smile? I am seriously happy. I am not faking my smile. I am so happy. Nana, I'm just fine. I feel so sad because Valentine's Day is here and I have no girlfriend. My ex-girlfriend just left me. Oh, human, I'm loving it. Yes, not there, not there. Yeah, do this here. Yeah. It's so good. Wow, wow, I'm loving it. Yeah. Why you doing there again? Not there. Yes. Do it here. No, don't look at me like that. I am not just free for you guys. You guys are looking at me so cheaply. So cheap, you guys. I'm just beautiful. Damn it. You guys are just hilarious. So cheap people.
Where is he, Gaia? She's coming.
Hey! Not on the fucking table, man!
problem, cat, now. You should get down.
Oh, who's this again? Who are you? Who are you? Why are you in my door? No, no, you are not welcome. Get lost. Woman, this chick is teasing me. Just tell her that I am so sick and I cannot tolerate her. Never mind, I'm so tired.
Hostile chick. Oh my god.
Can you show me your booty?
You and me, my love, we gonna make a house and we gonna live till our last breath.
Should go up and up, otherwise this cat will kill me. This cat, oh, where did I just fall?
Seriously?
Human, want to play again? You killing? Okay, we pretend to die. Okay, my turn now. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Running away from my town because I love to play and there's no grass in my house.
Everybody, thanks for giving me this food. I'm loving it. Yeah, I saw it. Why did you destroy me? Wait, what? What are you saying? I am the father of this child? No, I'm just wrong. I'm not.
Ay, qué linda.
Let me kick your ass, you moron. Do you think I'm stupid? I'm gonna kill you when I'm kicking your ass, bloody hell.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
Valentine, I'm in love. I have my own girlfriend and now I'm sorted for this year. And this cat is also sorted, I think. Look at this cat. Is he fighting or is he making love? I don't know. I just don't know. He just want to take this girl with his. He just want to take his chicks with him, I guess. Everybody is getting girlfriend and I have nobody just to make me shower and this human is making me shower. Bloody hell.
How can you just go like that?
Duncan. Duncan.
Duncan. Duncan. Eggs. 1, 2.
No, I'm asking for food. Can you give me that food? Can you? Are you giving or not?
1, 2, 3!
That guy's not even racing yet.
Yeah, he did, he blinked!
You lose and stop. You gotta do it all. Here. Yeah, I'll do it all. Look at our shake. Look, Ashley.
Cat be like, it is so cold out here, I need to fire some wood and get some heat. Human, I'm just warming myself. Some dogs be like, wow, I'm loving the snow, snow all over my face and I'm just loving it.
Take it to me.
Human, look at this human. What he make us do? They make us feel like human and they want us to dance. Let me just be in my own place, human. I'm here and that's enough. Don't make me dance like a joker. Human, just cleaning this floor, it's very busy and hectic day. I can't talk anymore. Oops, no. It's okay, I didn't fall. Human, how many times I told you, do not bring cat in this house. I don't like cat. No, I'm not afraid, but no, I'm not afraid. I just don't like this cat. I just don't like this cat. That's it.
Jimmy.
This is what we came home to. Poor guy. Oh, no.
Yeah, what this thing? Ew, human, ew. I know, you judging me hard on my face, I know. But I don't care. Judge me as much as you can, but I just want to sleep. Hey human, why are you running? Why are you running? Walk easily. Why are you sitting there? Okay, never mind. I'm just going to poop. Hey, are you clicking my photo? $5. $5 only for photo, yes. And if you want some video, you have to pay me $10. It's very cheap. Just pay me. Boom, 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 boom. Yay, snow. I'm a snow boy. I don't look like snow boy, but I am such a snow boy. I'm just a happy dog and I love to jump. Don't judge me, I'm just happy. You better don't judge me. When dogs are happy, they love to dance. And some love to dance, some love to jump, some love to eat, and some love to poop. That's it. Don't judge us, okay, you fucking human?
You see me? Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me?
Let's go, handsome. Come on.